Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should go to Files application, then you should select like which kind of files you want to switch. You want to share. Could be this image for me. So to transfer it, firstly tap on three dots here, select if you want to move or if you want to copy. So let's copy. Then select which files. This one, tap copy. Then select where to. We go to SD card and just like copy it here, I guess. And now you have this image here on your SD card. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.